You can track your journey on your smartphone using the Trainline app. Remember to use your disabled person rail card for discounts.
The approaching train is not scheduled to stop at this station.
You can collect your ticket at the station or buy it there. Check, double check and triple check the screen for correct platform and the time of your train. You can always ask railway staff for some help or reinsurance.
Does this one go to London Piccadilly?
Keep safe and stay behind the yellow line on the platform. Mind the gap between the train and the platform.